So here's the phone. Very nice. No camera bump, which I don't know. I don't really care about the camera bump. I go caseless with my phone and I don't really care. I did think that the way the camera bumps on the higher end phones of Nokia, I thought they looked cool, but I don't really care about the rocking on a table or anything. So we've got get started, Nokia 2.3, insert SIM and memory card. We've got these directions here, and there's the back. It has this charging cord. I can just slide it out. So its own charging cord. I'm gonna take a look. See, power and lock key, volume keys, front camera, earpiece is, I really like this idea. The earpiece is up in the bezel, so that's nice. Headset connector. Oh, it's got a good old 3.5mm headphone jack. It didn't come with headphones, so that's odd. Loudspeaker, it's funny. Microphone. I don't think it's stereo speakers, and the directions here actually say that it's not USB-C. It has a forehead and a teardrop and a huge chin. Okay, copy apps and data. I don't think Google has an app to like move to iOS. It does. I'm gonna not copy, since this is the first Android I've used since 2015. What was that? There was just a black screen until I tapped it. Oh, it wants to see my face. I'm gonna type in a passcode. Okay, now it's looking at me. I'm coming from Face ID, so that wasn't a very secure way to set that up, I don't think. But it's got a cute little face there. Done. Now it's asking me if I want YouTube music. I don't think so. Google One, paid membership. No, don't need that. Google Podcasts. Yeah, I'll get Google Podcasts. It won't let me do anything. Oh, there's not oh, all I can get is Google Play Games and Google Play Books. The rest is, oh, those are already on the phone. So I just get to choose like whether or not I want those two things. And I don't, and I get everything else. And I can't uninstall, it doesn't look like. So okay, adding finishing touches. It says, you're all ready to go. The brightness keeps changing gradually, like, and it's weird. I don't know. So let's go just a sec. Wow, that's actually really beautiful. I like this. I've seen people, you know, since I don't have an actual camera, I just use my phone and I'm switching the SIM. You're gonna get to see how the camera on this records when I take the SIM out of my iPhone. This is the selfie camera. I got the tool here. I'm gonna take my case off of my iPhone 11 and find the SIM tray, and I'm going to pop that out, get a notification that I took it out. It fell out of the tray, so I'm just gonna put the SIM tray back in, pop it back in its case here, and this is a garbage video, but we'll see. I don't yet know how to take screenshots, so I just wanted to take a picture of this. Wait. No. I'm gonna say not now. So let's go.